In today's video, I'll show you how you can download your TikTok live stream VOD. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, what you will need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. Once it is opened up, you will see 3 dots in the top right. Click on the 3 dots over here and you will see Creator Tools, Business Suite, Balance, QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. So what you want to do is click on Creator Tools over here. It's going to open all of your analytics and everything else. You click on top right where it's live, and then on the bottom, you'll see live recordings. You click on the live recordings, and over here, you will see all of your recordings and all of your streams that you've done previously. So if you have the streams that you've done before, you will see them right over here. You can click on the clip button to get some clips for your social media, or you can download the whole VOD and then save it and edit it yourself. So choose what you want to do, download it or clip it, and you are set. Also, what's a cool thing, on the bottom, you'll see some highlights. Over here, you can see like if somebody made a huge donation or a lot of crazy things happened, TikTok will automatically make the highlight for you so you can use it to post on other social media as well. So that's pretty cool if you want to test that out. And that's basically it. It's as easy as that. If you guys did like the video, make sure to drop the like. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to see my other TikTok guides, make sure to check this video right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.